I don't know if I agree that they're difficult to save. I think this is a very complex animal in terms of where it lives. It lives in high mountains, cold area, very difficult species to study. This was a species which was much more populous at one time, but obviously now its range is reduced in size due to man's interference with the environment. But that is changing. So we know there's about 1,600 left in the wild, and there's about 312 in captivity, which was in the breeding centres in China and out west of China. So there's a good number there. They require a lot of work and effort in order to move things forward, and I believe it's actually a responsibility of us all to actually join in the efforts to save the species. If we can't save the giant panda, which is an iconic species, then what can we save? The science in terms of understanding the biology of the animal goes hand in hand with understanding how this animal lives in the wild. This is still a very difficult animal to study. So the field ecologists are doing their thing, trying to work out the different types of bamboo forests that you need in order to protect the species. Meanwhile, all the veterinary work and the genetics work has been being done as well. The panda genome has been mapped, so we know what they look like from a genetic point of view. But moving forward, what we can now do is take that genetic information and actually use it to help us unlock and solve some of the medical problems that these animals have as well in captivity, and obviously in the wild as well. So a lot has happened in maybe the last 20, 30 years. Some of that has been done in China, some of it's been done outside of China, and of course we now hope that we'll play our part in moving all that forward as well. Good question. What you're seeing is a steady increase, and that steady increase has come about by the efforts that China is putting into saving the species. So I think what we'll see is that the panda numbers will increase slowly. They're not going to be back to massive numbers, but we will see an increase, and that is something that we can all celebrate.